Hi guys, how to download Forza Horizon 6 on PC. Now, open your web browser, click on the search bar, type Steam. And here is the mistake most people make. They click on an ad instead of the real link. Make sure you click the first official Steam link that appears. Look for the blue Install Steam button at the top of the website and click it. This downloads the Steam launcher to your PC or laptop. Keep watching because the next step shows how to find the game you actually want. Launch the Steam app, click its search bar, type Forza Horizon 6, and if nothing shows up, here is a pro tip. Make sure you are in the Store tab first, not your library. Scroll down on the game store page, click Add to Cart, then immediately click View My Cart. Don't get distracted or you'll lose your spot. Click Continue to Payment, fill in your billing details, click Continue, and finally hit Purchase. Once you do, the game gets added to your library, where you can download and play it anytime. This step is very important, so double-check your payment info. That's it, you are ready to play.